we've got a lot of interest in checking out what's going on at Lightship, and we wanted to show you guys around, give you a little bit of a peek behind the scenes, some exciting stuff to talk about on the product side, some really cool stuff to look at in the factory. Let's go check it out. This vehicle right here is actually VIN 18. So we're building, but we're building pretty slow. And that's intentional.
Frankly, we could build faster than this. We are choosing to build slower right now. The reason that we're choosing to build slower is quality, ultimately. Let's talk about a couple of the issues that they've seen that we've responded to already. One, I would call it a software or firmware issue that we've seen is with our power system. This is our onboard charger. It acts to charge the high voltage battery when it's connected to a grid source. It also acts like an inverter to create home power on board the RV. The unit has tricked itself occasionally, and we've realized what's going on. It's a fault internal to the unit. Because we're an end-to-end manufacturer, developed our own software, and so we've been able to deploy, I think within a week, a really clever patch fix that further upstream identifies when this component is having an issue and then resets the component in the background without you, the owner, even knowing about it.
All right, so another area where we've learned a ton from the field, and we've already pushed a couple of software updates, is on the truck drive system. You want to talk a little bit about those, Ben?
Sure. This is a brand new system. It's novel, it's innovative. It is a way that the trailer takes load off of the truck so that the truck doesn't need to do all the work of pulling the trailer anymore. There are a few core pieces to that truck drive system. There is a motor that we put on the rear axle of the trailer. That's what gives the oomph. There is a drive controller that's kind of the brains of the system, and there are a series of sensors, the primary of which is this force sensing hitch. We developed this in-house. It has a pair of load pins that are constantly measuring the force between the truck and the trailer. If the trailer starts to pull the truck back, we measure it, and the trailer helps, and the same thing happens vice versa. And we've engineered this system in intentionally a very conservative way.
What we did is we made sure that the system, if there are any issues, that it defaults into a safe state, which for the truck drive system means it's off. It's just a regular trailer. So as we are collecting more and more and more data, we're able to evaluate a lot of different cases that will affect the system.
We've so far pushed, I believe, 2 updates already, 2 software updates to the truck drive system to kind of react to these issues that are leading it to default to an off state, and its uptime for the owner, we've already seen increase as a result. Yes, as you can see, there's a lot of exciting things happening at Lightship right now, and things are really getting in motion here. It's hard work, no doubt. Every day is hard. At the same time, it's very fulfilling, and we're loving getting to do this. We're really excited to get some more Lightships to you.